Hey, what's up? It's Russ Rufino with Clients on Demand, and I'm super excited to tell you about this incredible new software that is saving us thousands of dollars every month and that is running our entire $100 million coaching company. It is amazing. The software is called GoHighLevel, and here's why you need it. See, for the last 10 years, we've been running our coaching company, and we've really been using about 10 to 15 different pieces of software. So we used Calendly to help people book appointments. We use Close.io to make phone calls. We used some other program to follow up with our clients using text messages. We used, ClickFunnels or Kajabi maybe to host our programs and courses, and another different thing to build sales funnels. So we were literally taking 10 to 15 different pieces of software and kind of duct taping them together. And this was taking up dozens of hours every month, just getting these different pieces of software to talk to each other. All of our data was scattered all over the place in these different programs, and it was costing us thousands of dollars a month because we had to pay for each of these pieces of software individually, and that absolutely sucked. So what we've done is we've wrapped everything up in one amazing piece of software called GoHighLevel that costs less than $100 a month. So not only is the business working way more efficiently, we're saving thousands of dollars every month because GoHighLevel replaces all those other softwares that we were using. So today we've got something really cool for you. If you click the link in the description of this video, it's our affiliate link where you can sign up for a free trial of GoHighLevel. And when you do, we're going to give you access to our proven sales funnel templates right there inside GoHighLevel. So you can use the same sales funnel strategies that we use to attract all the high paying clients that we want right there inside GoHighLevel. Now, that's not all I've got for you today. In a couple seconds, my head technician, Maxime, is going to walk you through some of the cooler features of GoHighLevel and show you how to do some really incredible stuff to take your coaching business to the next level. Max, take it away.
All right, guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you the hiring process that I've built inside of the software. So all you have to do is go to Sites on the left, click on Survey, and here you will find the hiring survey. So if you click on it, you will be able to find pretty much all the information that we had here. So for when you want to hire someone, you're going to ask their personal information, their LinkedIn profile, Instagram profile, Facebook profile. You can remove this if you don't want any of this. Which position you exceed the most at. So basically, which position are you applying for? Designer, video editor, media buyer, salesperson, executive assistant, client success manager, funnel builder / automations. And how many years of experience do you have in the area above? So I'll show you after where it goes and where you can retrieve this information. And if you want to add more here, you can certainly do that. Add option, and you can add as many options as you want. Can you please explain your previous experience in a few sentences? How soon are you looking to get started? Record a Loom video introducing yourself and why you think you're a good fit. Where did you find us? And anything else you would like to share. So once again, you can edit any of this. You can add custom fields from here. I'll show you where to find the custom fields on hiring right now. But that's basically the hiring survey that I have created, and then I'll show you some of the automations behind it. So to find the custom fields, you go to Settings, Custom Fields, click on Folders, and here you will find the hiring questions. So which positions, how many years of experience, can you explain your previous experiences, and where did you find us, anything else, the Loom video, everything. So if you want to have another position, you can come here and you can add another position in here. It's as simple as that, okay? So when people fill out the hiring form, then what is happening is they go to hiring survey submitted. And when we open this, there is assigned to HR person. So you should have an HR person, or if you don't, that's going to be you. New candidate notification. So you're going to receive an email telling you that you have a new candidate for a job offer. Let's wait. Hey team, we have a new candidate, full name, phone, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, the position that they want, experience. So basically everything that they just filled out is available in here. Update contact type to candidate. So this way in the contacts you can find them under candidate. And here we move them to the pipeline, the respective pipeline that they choose. So if they choose a media buyer, we're going to create the person and put them under the opportunity of media buyer. And that brings us to the pipeline. So here we have the hiring pipeline. So we have designers, video editors, media buyers, salespeople, executive assistant, client success manager, funnel builder / automation. And once again, if you want to add another job title in here, you will click on pipelines here at the top, hiring pipeline, click on edit, and then you could add something else here, something else, and then you would move this to the top because the later part are like the different stages of where people are in the process. So then we have all the designers, video editors, whatever, and then the initial test, that's for people who have been selected, initial interview, second test, second interview, they've been offered the job, they've been hired, they've been rejected, or we keep them in the back burner for later, okay? So I'm not gonna save this. So if we go here, once again, so here it's pretty manual, but you could automate some of the process. So for example, when you move someone to the initial test, you could have an email already pre-made for that and giving people an initial test, and you could save trigger this based on the answer that they gave you. So for designers, let me show you how I would do this just to give you some examples. So I would create a brand new automation, start from scratch, and I would say when pipeline stage changed, the pipeline is hiring pipeline. And the stage changed to pipeline stage to initial test. Then we can test based on their answer if contact detail, which position would you exceed at the most, is, for example, designer. So we can say designer for this one. Then we can duplicate this branch for video editor. Then we duplicated this branch for, I'm not going to do all of them, but media buyer, video editor. I'm just going to do these three, and then we could send an email to this person telling them congrats, and then we get their first name, contact first name, congrats, contact first name, you made it to the initial test, your task is to do X, Y, and Z. You guys would know what to give them. And the next step will be to book your initial, I don't remember how I call this, initial interview here, and you could have a calendar link for an interview with them, a first interview for them here. So insert link here. So that would be the email for the designers, and you can give them a task specific for the designers, video editors, media buyers, etc., etc. So that's how I would do it. And this is how you use. I'm not going to build any of this because this is going to be different for every one of you. But I just wanted to get you through the thought process that I would build this from. So you have the survey. You can edit the survey by adding some custom fields. When people are going to fill out the survey, they are going to come to operations, hiring, survey submitted. We're going to assign them to the HR person, which is going to be able to review all of the applications. And then we assign them to candidate. And let me show you here. The way I've built this here is we have, once again, custom fields, and we have the contact type. So if I type contact type here, I just added a edit lead, customer, affiliate, candidate, employee. So employees when they get hired. So you will need to change the status from candidate to employee when they get to the later stage here. So for example, hired, we could create another automation automatically that change the contact type when people are moved from to the hired stage pipeline. So pipeline stage changed. In pipeline is going to be hiring pipeline, move to the pipeline stage hired, and we could update the contact field. Contact field is going to be contact type, and the contact type is going to be employee. Contact type to employee. So it's self-explanatory in here. Contact type equals employee, boom. So now when they move to the hired stage, then they are becoming employee in the software. So that's it for this video. I hope that helps and that gives you some more food for thoughts on how to use the software. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Just to remind you, in the description of this video is our affiliate link to sign up for GoHighLevel. If you sign up through our affiliate link, you will also get access to our proven sales funnel templates that are really going to take your business to the next level. They're proven to convert. They're right there. They're pre-built inside GoHighLevel. It's going to save you a ton of time. Thanks so much for tuning in, hanging out with us today. I'm Russ Ruffino with Clients on Demand, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.